Thank you, Nathan. Wake Up Central works to keep you safe and sound. And for a second straight week, Arkansas is facing a high risk for wildfires. As you know, the state saw an historic outbreak just days ago, and conditions are still a big concern. Wake Up Central's Journey Taylor joins us now with more on the ongoing threat and what fire officials want us all to know. Journey?
Yeah, good morning, Karen. Wildfires have been a major problem across Arkansas, and the threat isn't over yet. I want you to take a look at the current wildfire risk map. The entire state covered. Just last week, fire crews responded to nearly 100 wildfires in a single day. Dry conditions and strong winds fueled fast-moving flames, forcing evacuations and damaging property. Now, in North Little Rock, the historic St. Joseph Center sustained damage. In Little Rock, a fire near Bowman Road led to a Walmart evacuation. In Jefferson County, a grass fire shut down I-530 due to low visibility. And in Hot Spring County, a wildfire believed to be caused by a downed power line forced evacuations along Highway 128 before crews got it under control. Now, right now, most of the state is under a burn ban. Fire officials are urging everyone to avoid any outdoor burning and report any smoke or flames immediately. And while we work to keep you safe and sound, remember, with conditions still being dangerously dry, it doesn't take much to start a fire, and it can spread fast. I'm Journey Taylor for Wake Up Central.
You're right about that. We have certainly seen that happen last week. Thank you.